Oh.
Big.
This is so magical.
And I happen to look over and there are 8 wild horses eating my grass.
Hi guys. Oh my god.
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Is he in the car?
Oh jeez! Oh jeez!
Do you see what they see? Look. Ah! Kettle! They're quite nice, aren't they? Oh my goodness, look at those horses.
Hello there. All the horses are coming to check me out.
You can't park there!
Mate, you can't park there, like, go, 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 go.
What the hell are y'all doing?
What the fuck?
Oh, it's country.
Oh my god, there's a kid right there though.
Hello. Hi, sweetheart.
Now this one is sleeping. That's funny.